In this present tutorial, in this tutorial rather, I will be teaching you how to play this song. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. The first thing we're going to do is that I'm going to play the song, sing to it, and the next one I'm going to do is that I'm going to explain the chord, I'm going to explain the right hand, the left hand, and we're going to combine it together. By the end of the tutorial, we'll be able to play the songs effectively and every other song that is associated with the chord. So stay tuned, and if this is your first time on this channel, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button. Thank you for always watching. God bless you. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Alright, so welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be playing this song. I'll be teaching you how to play this song. The song is like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Then like fire, like rain, let it fall. So that's the song. First, let us talk about the progression. What is the progression for this song? The progression is like fire, la, so, do, si, la, then la, so, la. To begin with, or to start with, I am playing on the key of F, and I'm using the first inversion there. So I'm using mi, so, do, that's do, then mi, so, ti, then mi, la, do, mi, so, ti. Like fire, you go back to do, then re, so, ti, then la. So that's what I'm using. Now let's take it like fire, do, like rain, do, so, la, let your glory, then fa, like fire, like rain, let it fall. Alright, so let's begin by, let's continue by doing the right hand as well now. So what did I play there? We have one, mi, so, do, re, so, ti, then mi, la, do, fa, la, do, then mi, la, do, then re, so, ti, la. So you can pause this video and just check everything I did there. You can pause it and just try to sing out while we continue now. So let's take one more. Like fire, like rain, let your glory. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. La, so, do, ti, la, la, si, so, la. So another thing you can do here is that you can alternate it. Then you can change, instead of so, you can say si, la. So I use this re, si, ti. Now like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, oh, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, then see, instead of so, you see, let it fall. So now let us do the left hand as well. Like fire, so, la, do, la, so, do, mi, fa, mi, so, la, so, si, la. Let's go again. mi, la, do, ti, la, mi, fa, so, la. So the same thing that goes with this one can actually go with this. Instead of so, la, you can say si, la. I think we should follow a progression pattern, just one progression pattern. Let us do it now. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Let's go. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. So let's say, like fire, like rain, so then mi, so, la, mi. You see, like fire, then like rain, mi, so, la, mi, fa, like so, si, la, fire, la, re, so. Like fire, like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Now, the last thing we should talk about is the striking pattern. You can use 1, 2 striking pattern, and you can follow it. You can use percent chord as well, maybe, if it's going to work for you. But for beginners, I think you should use something like that, something like 2 strikes, twice, at your glory, then like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain. So in case you don't have keyboard, you don't have a bass cheater, a bass G trace, then I think you should go ahead with this kind of chords and just play. So with this, we have come to the end of the tutorial. If this is your first time on this channel, please take time to subscribe to this channel. Like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.